Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to have fun with effects paints. Yep, a lot of them. So I took the melting pot from Undead or Alive and primed it up in some brain matter beige spray can and then slapped on some rigor mortis speed paint. And then later on you're going to see what I'm going to do with some effects paints. All sorts of different kinds of, well, all sorts. Two kinds of, well, no, actually there's a couple of effects paints in here. And I wasn't sure if I was going to do this as a video, so I recorded it anyways. And I said, okay, I'll edit it. And I'm like, oh, you know what? It's going to be like a stupid video. I mean, Undead or Alive has been out for a long time. I'm sure a ton of people have already painted this up and have already seen how it's been painted. But I want to show you what you can do with effects paints. And the first thing I do is going to mess up all this miniature with some Ironclad Gray, which is a John Blantz Masterclass Grim Dark paint. And I'm going to dry brush this on top. So doing the opposite effect of having dark then light. This is going to be dark with light in the recesses. Reason for that, okay, is I'm going to mix some Blood Moon Red with our first effect, Dry Blood. And what this is going to do is going to give both of these colors a good speed painting version of blood that's going to glisten a bit more. Plus it's dry blood. It's not the super crazy true blood, which is a little bit more reddish pink. And it's going to come out like really crusty looking and all that. Like the dry blood actually has a little bit of texture to it, which is kind of cool. So doing this here is, anyways, I'm trying to get where spots are where like the skin is really stretched out, where these are a bunch of zombies or bodies or whatever, all melted into one. It's pretty crazy. I don't remember how it works on the table. I think stuff spawns out of it, becomes a spawn zone, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I really have to play this now. Okay, here we go. We are going to take some still water and some oil stains, okay, effects paint. We're going to mix this up all together, and it's going to make a nice sloshy, oily, goopy stuff. And I'm going to slap this all over the miniature. That's right, all over the miniature. It's crazy, and it turns out looking amazing. It makes it shine. It looks like this thing just came out of some primordial ooze. It's stretching the bodies. It's getting everywhere. It even makes the base a nice glistening oil patch, but it makes it look so gross. I really love it. If you do, hit that like button and comment what you think about this. Do you think I had fun with this? Do you think this is pretty cool? Also, if you're new to the channel, subscribe please and check out the other Undead or Alive videos. And there you have it. That's it. I mean, that's it. It's done. It's finished. It's over. But look how cool it looks. I mean, this thing is spooky. And don't forget to slay the gray, one miniature at a time.